Hi, I'm Sebastian. I'm the founder of Crate to Plate. We're an urban farming business, and our mission is to bring sustainable, local production of leafy greens to urban communities. We believe that consumers should be able to buy higher quality food free of pesticides, which hasn't been shipped several thousand miles and consumed several days after harvest. We're passionate about the concept of 15-minute cities, where everyone should have access to fresh produce grown within 15 minutes of where they live. So we set up our first hydroponic farms in London to offer consumers a wide range of super fresh lettuces, leafy greens and herbs, all delivered straight to their door within 24 hours of harvest, 365 days a year. We currently have 4 farming locations in London and are looking to expand through 2022. I'm here at our site in Elephant and Castle, so why don't I take you in for a look around.
Hi, my name's John and I'm the scientist at Crate to Plate. We grow a wide variety of lettuces like romaine and butterheads. We can take it right off the shelf and eat it. It's delicious because it's clean, healthy, and nutritious food. Leafy greens like kale and rocket. Herbs like basil, parsley, and coriander, just to name a few. We're harvesting our Genovese basil. Looks really good. You can't imagine how well it smells in here right now. As well as microgreens for our restaurant owners and chefs. In the farms, we control all the aspects of the environment, including air temperature, airflow, and humidity, as well as we control the pH value of the water and the exact nutrient mix. We deliver this nutrient mix using hydroponics and aeroponic technologies. These innovative technologies allow us to grow the equal number of plants using up to 95% less water than traditional farming. We also use LEDs to simulate the sun. And in these LED technologies, we're able to bend the wavelengths, which is the colors, and the intensity to meet the needs of the plants. Oh, and we don't use any toxic pesticides, herbicides, or fungicides, or anything like that. People aren't always aware that what they see on the supermarket shelf was normally harvested several days before, and plants lose nutrient density with every passing day after harvest. By growing and harvesting in central London and delivering a few hours later, we also give our customer a more nutrient-rich product.
I'm Ollie DeBoo, Executive Chef and co-founder of Hyde. We've been using Crate to Plate products in our dishes for over a year now, and I'm a huge believer in what these guys are doing. As a chef, the quality of my food is only as good as the ingredients that I use. And the quality of greens that we get in from Crate to Plate is amazing. Unbelievably fresh and flavoursome. And I love that it's sustainably grown. I'm really proud to be a consumer of Crate to Plate.
So in addition to restaurants, we also sell in local grocery stores, in farmers markets, and online for home delivery, direct to the consumer. Everything we do has sustainability in mind. We use zero plastic packaging, and we're all about reducing food waste as much as possible. We're raising funding to expand our production capacity, building larger farming sites in London and the UK, and also to grow our direct-to-consumer offering, introducing a subscription box delivery service and expanding our geographic reach. We hope you'll join us on our journey.